Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to see how many 3x3s it takes for me to solve a 4x4. Okay, so now I got all these 3x3s scrambled, and I'm going to have my 4x4 solve up here. And so now I'm going to start inspecting it. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I got probably around 3.2 cubes, something like that. So I got the cross solved, and I didn't even get to start on making a F2L pair on that one. But okay, the 4x4 took faster than I thought. The 3x3s, I just didn't have time to inspect them, so it was a little bit slower than it should have been. But anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.